Imagine typing just a few words and getting a beautiful image, a short video, I or even a story in seconds.
You know I love you. I can catch a grenade for you.
Sounds like magic, right? Well, today I'll show you how to do exactly that with Grok AI. Welcome to Jay's Studio. Here I share easy-peasy tutorials and cool AI discoveries. I love testing new AI tools and showing you how to use them to boost your daily life, projects, and business. Today, we're diving into Grok AI, a tool that can create, animate, explain, and even entertain. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make images, turn them into videos, and use Grok AI for so much more. Let's get started. The first step is to go to the Grok AI website or app. For today's video, we will be using the app. You can install Grok AI from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your mobile device. I have installed it already, so I'll go ahead and open it. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up. You can use your Google account or email. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard, nice and simple, with a text box where you type your requests. From this interface, you can see that it has features like Create Videos, Open Camera, Voice Mode, Analyze Docs, and Edit Images. Amazing, right? Have you tried Grok AI before, or is this your very first time seeing it? Let me know in the comments. Next up, let's create an image. At the top right corner, click Imagine to generate an image, type in your text prompt, and hit Generate. In the text box, type exactly what you want. For example, a fluffy orange cat riding a bike in the city center. Click on Generate. In just a few seconds, Grok AI gives you a unique image based on your idea. Amazing, right? You can refine it by adding more details, like in watercolor style or high-quality 4K digital art. Pro tip: be specific with your words. The more details you give, the better your image will look. Let's create another one. Here I said, a fairy riding on a wolf in a magical forest. After a few seconds, boom! Do you see that? Here are some images I was able to generate using Grok AI. A male cat in a boat with a female cat. A realistic image of a girl cooking vegetables in a modern kitchen. A rat and rabbit fighting for food. What image you would ask Grok AI to create first? A fantasy world? A cartoon version of yourself? Share your ideas below. I'd love to see them. Moving on, let's turn the images into a video. After creating an image, you'll see the Animate or Make Video button below the image. You can see the Favorite, Download, and Share buttons at the bottom of each image. From here, click one of the images you just generated or upload an image here, and Grok AI will transform your still picture into a short animated clip. Let's animate this image of a fluffy orange cat riding a bike in the city center. Click on Make Video, wait for a few seconds, and then boom, the video's ready. Do you see that? I want to show you another mind-blowing feature that Grok AI has. You can adjust motion and effects from here. To do that, click the drop-down menu, then you will see Custom to customize the image the way you want, or Speech to enter what you want the image to say, spicy, fun, or normal. Let's try the speech features on this image. Here you type in what you want your character to say. A few minutes later, our video is ready. Let's go ahead and play it.
You can't mess with me or my loved ones. You, yes you.
Amazing, right? Imagine using this for YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or even other projects. Where would you use it? I also tried others. The other features did not change much. Here is what the fun option did. Interesting, right? Let's move on to other creative uses of Grok AI. Grok AI is not just for pictures and videos. You can also write stories or scripts. For example, write me a bedtime story about a robot and a little girl. In seconds, your story will be ready. Pretty cool, right? It can summarize or explain. Just paste a long text and ask Grok to make it simple. It can also brainstorm ideas, video ideas, business names, or social media captions, all in seconds. And it can answer questions like a smart assistant. It helps with learning, research, or even coding. Out of all these, which one would you use most? Images, videos, stories, or brainstorming? Tell me in the comments. I'm curious. From our demo today, you can see that Grok AI saves time, it makes creativity simple, it helps beginners and professionals alike, and most importantly, it brings your imagination to life with just a few words. And that's how you can use Grok AI to create images, turn them into videos, and do so much more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Jay's Studio, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an informative video. Before you go, let me know what I should try next with Grok AI. Your suggestion might be the star of my next video. Let's connect, let's learn, and let's grow together.
I love making healthy meals. Would you love to try some? Hope you subscribed. Just asking and let's connect, learn, and grow together, you know.
Hey guys, it's Friday. I love weekend. Yay!
You are the real MVP. Thumbs up.